Your Roblox account is gone because of chargebacks and disputes, but we're fixing that right now. This guide helps you reclaim your Roblox account deletion due to chargebacks and dispute issues by walking you through essential recovery steps. If you've just found your account inaccessible after a payment dispute, the first move is to directly contact Roblox support and initiate their specific dispute resolution process. This often involves providing detailed transaction information and any evidence you have to prove the payment was legitimate or that the chargeback was an error. Should that not immediately resolve the situation, the next critical step is to review your payment history, pinpoint the exact transactions causing the issue, and then contact your payment provider to see if the chargeback can be cancelled or reversed. If a direct appeal is necessary, prepare a formal appeal letter that clearly outlines your case, includes all necessary identification, and emphasizes the importance of your Roblox account to you. Finally, always remember to thoroughly review Roblox's terms of service regarding disputes, as understanding their policies will empower you to navigate the resolution process more effectively and potentially prevent future account issues.